Tired of the blood sugar roller coaster? Here's your ticket to stability. First up, we have quinoa salad. Packed with fiber and protein, it keeps your blood sugar steady and your energy up. Next, reach for a turkey and avocado wrap. Lean protein from the turkey and healthy fats from the avocado team up to keep those blood sugars in check. Third, how about a veggie stir-fry? Loaded up with colorful veggies and a side of brown rice. The fiber here is your best friend. Number 4, lentil soup. It's hearty filling and a blood sugar stabilizer. Plus, it's perfect for those colder days. Fifth on the list, try a chickpea and spinach salad. This combo is a powerhouse of nutrients and keeps your glucose levels balanced. And finally, a classic, grilled salmon with asparagus. Omega-3s from the salmon and fiber from the asparagus make this a winning lunch. So next time you're planning lunch, remember these 6 options. Your blood sugar will thank you. Stay healthy, eat smart, and keep that energy soaring. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on staying healthy and keeping your energy up.